Hello everyone. In this video, let us discuss some more examples on first type of examples using the second property. First example is find Laplace transform of 3t square plus 4t plus 5 into u of t minus a. Means this is f of t minus a, means f of t minus a, or capital F of t is here of 3t square plus 4t plus 5, and this is u of t minus 3. Solution: let f of t minus 3. See here, u of t minus 3 is there. In a standard result we have u of t minus a, means a value is 3 here, so that take f of t minus 3 is equal to 3t square plus 4t plus 5. Okay, now we have to find the f of t here, so that add plus 3 to every variable, and then we get minus 3, plus 3 will cancel. We have f of t is equal to 3 into t plus 3 whole square plus 4 into t plus 3 plus 5 is constant as it is. Simplify this one, we get 3 into, here a plus b whole square formula, t square plus 3 square is 9 plus 2 into 3 is 6, this is t. A square plus b square plus 2a, this is a, this is b, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus t, 6 into t plus 4t plus 3 4s are 12 plus 5. Now multiply this 3 2 term by term, we get 3t square plus 3 9s are 27 plus 3 6 are 18 t, this is plus 4t plus 12 plus 5, 3t square as it is. Write powers in descending order. Now we have t terms here, 18 plus 4 is 22 plus 22t. Now constants are 27, 12, 5. Add these three terms, we get 44. 27 plus 12 plus 5 is 44. This therefore it is f of t is equal to what? 3t square plus 22t plus 44. Now we have to find the Laplace transform. Therefore L of f of t is equal to f bar of s is equal to, here we have to use the formula, that Laplace transform of t raised to n. Here n varies from 1 to 3 and so on. We know that formula Laplace transform of t raised to n is n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. 3 is constant. Here this is 2 factorial divided by s raised to 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 22 as it is. 1 factorial divided by 1 s raised to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus, here it is constant, Laplace transform of constant is 1 by s, therefore it is 44 divided by s. We get here 2 factorial is 2, 2 3s are 6 divided by s square plus 1 factorial is 1, 22 divided, it is s cube, this is s square plus 44 divided by s, this is s cube. This is the f bar of s. Now we have the second property, Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as into f bar of s. Since a is equal to 3, we get Laplace transform of f of t minus a is 3t square plus 4t plus 5 u of t minus 3 is equal to e raised to minus 3 into s, and this is 6 divided by s cube plus 22 divided by s square. Last term is plus 44 divided by s. This is the required result for the given unit step function. Next, the given function is 1 minus e raised to 2t into u of t plus 1, means first term is f of t minus a, and this is u of t minus a, means here a value is minus 1 because we have u of t minus a, here it is plus, therefore a value is minus 1. Now solution is, let f of t plus 1, because they are given function as t plus 1, so we have to take t plus 1 only. After that we have to change this as f of t. This is 1 minus e raised to 2t. Now we have to subtract minus 1 to this variable, we get plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. It is f of t, which is equal to 1 minus e raised to 2 into t minus 1 by replacing t by t minus 1. We get, that is f of t is equal to 1 minus e raised to 2t into e raised to minus 2. Now find Laplace transform for this one. L of f of t is equal to f bar of s is equal to Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s minus, see here e raised to 2t is there, here we have a variable, so we have to write Laplace transform for this only. E raised to minus 2 is constant, keep as it is. Laplace transform of e raised to 2t is 1 divided by s minus 2. 1 divided by s minus 2. Now this can be written as 1 divided by s minus, here it is e raised to minus 2. Therefore it is e square into s minus 2. Okay. This is what f bar of s. Now we have Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as into f bar of s. Since a is equal to minus 1, we get, this is Laplace transform of f of t, this is minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 u of t plus 1 is equal to e raised to minus into minus plus, it will be e raised to s only, divided is into 1 divided by s minus 1 divided by, sorry, it is e square s minus 2. Therefore Laplace transform of f of t plus 1 is 1 minus e raised to 2t u of t plus 1 is equal to e raised to s into 1 divided by s minus 1 divided by e square into s minus 2. See here, this is also written as e raised to s divided by s minus here when we take this in numerator we get e raised to minus 2. It is e raised to s minus 2 divided by s minus 2. This is Laplace transform of 1 minus e raised to 2t u of t plus 1. This is the last example in first type. Find Laplace transform of t square minus 6t plus 9 e raised to minus t minus 3 u of t minus 3. Here third example is there, which is for homework. This is similar to the previous one. Try this one, and I am solving the fourth one. Here f of t minus 3 is equal to t square minus 60 plus 9 e raised to minus t minus 3. Here a value is 1. And see here, this is of the form a square a minus b whole square formula. T square a square, this is b square minus 2ab. So therefore it is t minus 3 whole square e raised to minus t minus 3 as it is. Here we have to convert this as f of t. Just add, replace t by t plus 3, or simply add here plus 3, and here also for plus 3 we get 3 get cancelled. Here also 3 get cancelled. Remaining is s square to e raised to minus t. We get then Laplace transform of f of t is equal to, here we have to apply the shifting property of Laplace transform. Laplace transform of t square, various changes to s plus 1. Laplace transform of t square is 2 factorial divided by s square means s cube. Various changes to s plus 1. Now 2 divided by s plus 1 whole cube. Now we have Laplace transform of t minus a. We have Laplace transform of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as into f bar of s, where a value is 3 here. The Laplace transform of f of t minus 3 into u of t minus 3 is equal to e raised to t minus 3 into 2 divided by s plus 1 whole cube. Since f of t minus 3 is t square minus 60 plus 9 into e raised to minus t minus 3, this one is as it is, which is equal to 2 into e raised to minus 3s divided by s plus 1 whole cube. This is the required result for the given Heaviside function. In this step you have to find the required Laplace transform for the given Heaviside function when the given function is of the form capital F of t into u of t minus a, or small f of t minus a into u of t minus a. And these are the homework examples. Here we have 3 examples. Here a value is 3, and here it is pi by 2, and here a. Similarly as the previous examples, use the same steps, same procedure. Try these 3 examples. If you have any doubt, contact me. In next class we will discuss the examples which are having the discontinuous functions. You already know what is the procedure. Just read that procedure so that you can easily understand when I am solving those examples. Write all the homework examples. One day I will tell you to submit all the homework examples from first to last. Write homework examples in separate one book so that you can easily submit that one. Write clearly and mention all the dates also, means in which date I have given you that examples to solve, and mention all the topics also. Okay.